kind of trouble we can start with this, huh? Ooh, it's kind of nice. Air dampener. Tie it into the system. Extra screws. The orifice that screws into the end of the burner. Fire brick that's in there. I don't want to mess around with that too much because of the ceramic fiber insulation. Regulator and hose. It's perfect interior thread. Comes with refractory cement for putting on the inside. That's awesome. I didn't even realize it came with this. That's really good, actually. Yeah. I think this will do nicely. Alright, you know, I'm really kind of happy with this thing so far. It comes with the refractory cement, which I didn't even expect. I didn't even know it came with. But you use that to line the inside of the forge. It also comes with a fire brick that you place on the bottom there. So that way, you know, none of the blanketing will blow out or anything else like that. You've got a 30 psi regulator here attached to a good bit of hose. Brush for putting the refractory cement on. A little manual, not a lot of information in there. But this is a valve that'll go both ways. It'll go either way, right? That's pretty decent. And I had bought a foundry from this company before, and it'll get up to temperature real easy, real quick, really decent burner. So I'm looking forward to using this guy. Vevor, V-E-V-O-R. Now, I do not do product stuff. I don't do product reviews or anything else like that typically, but you know what, honestly, I'm really liking this thing. You know, we're gonna get it, we're gonna get the refractory cement put into it here in the next day or so, and get this thing fired up. It's gonna be really exciting. A little bit of a new, different adventure. I'm not in the woods of North Idaho anymore. I'm over here in the UK. So figuring out a place to where I can do this is going to be interesting and fun. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to using that new forge as well. I'll check you guys later.